Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on the aim assist for first-person shooting games on your Samsung Galaxy device. So with the Game Booster, Samsung allows you to enable the aim assist in FPS shooter games. So this feature helps you stabilize your aim, makes it easy to track enemies during fast movements, especially in intense gunfight situation. So here when you're playing a game, you'll see that your aim is just a small dot, as you can see. If I go ahead and move this around left and right, you'll see that aim is just a small dot. So here, as you can see, the aim is only a small dot. So let's go ahead and change this so that you can basically see this aim much better. So to help you aim better in this kind of games, you can go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Game Booster Plus. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find the reticle settings. And here you want to go ahead and configure your aim. So you can go ahead and make it something like this, something like this, like this, like this, like this, X. So you have a lot of different options. I'll go ahead and choose this option here. Next, you can go ahead and configure the size, so you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. I'll go ahead and make this big. Then you have your line thickness, and then you have your color. Now you can go ahead and choose your opacity level as well. Now once that's done, go back, and then here you want to go ahead and choose what app you require it for. So I'll go ahead and want it for my PUBG Mobile. So this is the game which I'm playing. And then you want to go ahead and switch over to that app. So as you can see, when I'm playing this game, you'll see that now I have a red circle, which basically is the aim. So if I have a gun, I can go ahead and use this to aim and shoot at people. So this improves your aiming accuracy. It's better performance in competitive shooter games. This is helpful for both casual and serious gamers. It reduces missed shots during fast gameplay and enhances your overall gaming experience. So there you go guys. That is how to turn on the aim assist for first-person shooter games on your Samsung Galaxy device.